Hey, this is Now, and we're just trying to record some of the things that we do here on a daily basis, right? So for today, I'm gonna be coating these wheels and getting them prepped to be put on the car. These are some TEs that I picked up for the NSX. We originally had Meisters that came with the car, and I knew the moment that I was gonna get the NSX that concave TEs were what I wanted. I'm gonna show you guys Matt's process for coating these wheels. Everything we're doing is Obsessed Garage's process. Ideally, I would want a 235 40 17 in the front and 275 35 18 in the rear, right? I want to keep the NSX body lines as clean as possible and not make it too aggressive or too looking like it's a wide body. This Tar and Sap remover that Matt recommends to prep a tire with actually works amazing. Now I'm just gonna hit the wheel with some Carpro Eraser, and then we can start the first layer of CSL. So this setup is double staggered, 17 by 9 plus 34 in the front, and then 18 by 10 and a half plus 45, right? I bought these wheels before I even secured the car because I knew that when I got an NSX, not if, this would be the set.
What's the major benefit of coating your wheels?
Maintaining wheels is generally a pain in the ass, especially if you have like a very intricate design, right? Getting behind all the spokes, keeping the barrel clean. All the years that I've had aftermarket wheels or washed my cars, it's time consuming. So when you coat the wheel, it provides a hydrophobic protective layer, and that allows you to kind of rinse off the brake dust easily, as well as makes it a lot easier to kind of agitate the brake dust and remove it from the wheel. Right? So it makes the process of maintaining the wheel and keeping it clean so much easier, so much more efficient. So I just applied some of the CSL on this weight applicator, right? And then just picking one area to start off, right? What Matt teaches on through his content is that all you have to do is just stay organized. Apply it and then rub off the excess. So what I'm doing is I'm just leveling off the excess coating with this microfiber right here. CSL, it doesn't flash that quickly, so it gives you some time to kind of apply it. You know, it's not as technical as some other coatings, which have a really quick flash time. The Gtechniq Ultimate, which is only a grade product.
Do you have to be licensed for that stuff?
Yeah, I think you have to get accredited training by Gtechniq to actually use that one.
So with an application like this, if you had it daily, what kind of durability or long-lasting effects could you predict?
Well, I think it depends on your usage, right? I think generally you're good for 2 years, but if it's on wheels that get a lot dirtier, you know, if you're constantly parking your car out in the sunshine, right? Depends on the weather, climate of where you're living. All those factors will kind of determine how long the coating will last. But I think this specific coating is rated for 2 years. Yeah, make sure you guys apply this in a pretty well ventilated area because it does give off a bit of a smell.
Is there ever any kind of like a spray-on type of ceramic coating?
Yeah, I think there are a lot of products like that out there where where it's just like you spray it on and it seals and then you just wash it off, right?
Is there any downsides to those types, or?
Probably just the longevity of the sealant.
Who would you recommend this application for?
Anyone that has the patience and the attention to detail, it's not rocket science, and it doesn't take a crazy amount of skill or experience or hand-eye coordination to do it. You just have to have the willingness to want to try tackling a project like this and stay organized, and it's pretty much all it takes. Just make sure you take a look at the tires, see if there's any residual. Just wipe it off if it does.
This stuff settles on tires and cures. Will it just look like there's a wet spot?
Yeah, it'll just have like this little shiny, glossy wet spot. Forgot to put the cap on after using the bottle, so that's always something to keep in mind. Is you don't want air to go in and kind of start curing the liquids inside.